Google's journey from a Stanford dorm room project to one of the most influential technology giants in the world is a testament to visionary leadership, relentless innovation, and strategic diversification. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google emerged with a groundbreaking algorithm called PageRank that revolutionized how people searched for information online. Unlike earlier search engines that ranked results by keyword frequency, Google focused on link authority, offering dramatically better accuracy and relevance. This foundational technology rapidly positioned Google as the preferred gateway to the internet, embodying its mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google's growth trajectory has been both exponential and multidimensional. After its IPO in 2004, it expanded far beyond search into advertising, mobile, cloud computing, hardware, and artificial intelligence. It acquired key platforms like YouTube in 2006, Android in 2005, and DoubleClick in 2008, effectively becoming a digital ecosystem that touches every aspect of internet usage. The 2015 restructuring into Alphabet Inc. allowed Google to maintain focus on its core businesses while spinning off experimental ventures like Waymo, autonomous vehicles, DeepMind, AI research, and Verily, health tech. Each of these has been instrumental in extending Google's influence beyond the digital realm into real-world impact. At the core of Google's business model lies its advertising engine, which generates over 80% of the company's revenue. Google Ads monetizes user queries, browsing behavior, and interests across its search engine, YouTube, and millions of websites in the display network. This data-driven model provides advertisers with unmatched targeting precision. In parallel, Google has developed multiple revenue streams, including Google Cloud, enterprise services, Google Play, app marketplace, subscription services like YouTube Premium and Google One, and hardware like Pixel smartphones and Nest smart home devices. This multi-pronged approach allows Google to monetize both consumer attention and enterprise solutions. The strength of Google's value chain lies in its deep vertical integration and relentless pursuit of optimization. Inbound logistics include proprietary data centers and global fiber networks, while operations are powered by sophisticated algorithms and AI models trained on vast datasets. Its outbound logistics are entirely digital, enabling scalable global distribution at minimal marginal cost. Google's marketing is subtle and product-led rather than traditional advertising. Its products sell themselves through superior functionality and integration. Continuous innovation is supported by world-class talent, internal R&D programs like Google X, and a culture that promotes risk-taking and long-term bets. Innovation has always been Google's core competitive advantage. It has consistently led breakthroughs in search algorithms, language models, autonomous systems, and quantum computing. DeepMind's AlphaGo, Google translates use of neural networks, the development of TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework, and Bard, Google's conversational AI assistant, are just a few examples of its AI leadership. Google's investment in moonshots, ambitious projects with transformative potential, underscores its long-term vision. It was among the first to champion quantum computing at scale and continues to lead the charge in ethical AI, albeit with challenges. In terms of marketing strategy, Google operates in a unique manner. It spends little on traditional marketing for core services like search or Gmail. Instead, its marketing philosophy is centered around seamless user experience, high performance, and integration. Products like Chrome, Android, and Google Maps serve as entry points that lock users into the Google ecosystem. The company's dominance in search means it effectively owns the top of the digital marketing funnel. Additionally, through Android, an open-source operating system used by billions, Google has secured a powerful position in mobile computing, particularly in emerging markets. Google's competitive edge is maintained through several structural advantages. First is its vast data ecosystem, billions of daily interactions across services that train its AI models and improve ad targeting. Second is its control over the digital attention economy. Owning key properties like Search, YouTube, Gmail, and Chrome ensures constant engagement. Third, it enjoys immense economies of scale, allowing high-margin operations despite massive infrastructure investments. Finally, Google benefits from network effects. The more users it gains, the better its algorithms become, which in turn attracts more users. A virtuous cycle of dominance. Financially, Google is one of the most stable and profitable technology companies globally. In 2023, Alphabet reported revenues of over $320 billion, with net income nearing $73 billion. Google Ads remains its dominant cash engine, while YouTube and Google Cloud have grown significantly as secondary pillars. Notably, Google Cloud turned profitable in recent quarters, marking a major strategic milestone. The company invests heavily in R&D and infrastructure, with capital expenditures surpassing $30 billion annually, largely directed toward AI and quantum computing. However, Google is not without challenges. It faces intense antitrust scrutiny in the United States, European Union, and other markets due to concerns over market dominance, data monopolization, and anti-competitive practices. Privacy remains a contentious issue, especially with increasing global regulations like GDPR. Internally, the company has faced backlash from employees over issues such as military contracts, Project Maven, ethics in AI, and layoffs. Moreover, the generative AI race poses a threat as competitors like Microsoft via OpenAI, Amazon, and startups challenge Google's dominance in search and productivity. Looking ahead, Google's strategic focus includes AI integration across its entire product suite, monetizing its advances in generative AI through tools like Bard and Google Workspace, and expanding its enterprise cloud footprint. Quantum computing, health tech, and autonomous vehicles remain long-term bets. Its ability to innovate, responsibly respond to regulation, and diversify beyond ad revenue will determine whether it can sustain its leadership in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. In conclusion, Google's rise from a niche search engine to a global digital infrastructure provider reflects unparalleled execution, strategic clarity, and technological prowess. Its influence extends far beyond search. It has become the connective tissue of the modern internet. However, maintaining this position in an era of AI disruption, ethical dilemmas, and heightened competition will test the company's ability to remain both innovative and trusted in equal measure.